Good morning, this is Kelley Hobart talking about the Mavis Ladybug Cowl, which is our knit club project for August. So when you look at this project, it's using Kabasi, and this yarn is 55% cotton, 16% bamboo, 21% elastic nylon, and 8% silk. And this yarn is fantastic for a summertime project. It won't be too hot, and yet it'll be a chance for you to work on your color work. So first of all, when you're starting this project, it calls for a US number 3 32-inch circular needle. Now I'm going to start casting on, and I did not have a 32-inch circular needle, so I'm using a shorter needle just to show you how to cast on. So our really red color, number 47, is the main color of our yarn. And we're going to be using a cable cast on. So I like to take my yarn and drop it over the top of the needle with my tail facing toward my tummy. Then I give that a twist, and I go ahead and knit 1 stitch. Now I have 2 stitches on my needle, and I'm ready to do a cable cast on. And the reason why we're using the cable cast on, it's a very structured cast on, and you don't have to worry about how long your tail is in order to make these stitches, because we have a 240 stitches to cast on. So it's important that we don't work with our tail, and it'll be easier just to work from the working yarn. And I always pull from the center. It causes less problems when you're using your yarn. It seems to tangle less if you pull from the center of your yarn. So now I have 3 stitches cast on, and I'm holding my working yarn in my left hand. And let me show you again how I do that. I insert my right hand needle through the first stitch, between the first and the second stitch, and come out from under with the loop, and then I stick the left hand leg on my needle. And then I repeat that process over and over until I have 240 stitches. So let me just show you this a little bit. This is called the cable cast on, and it's how we cast on for our Mavis Ladybug Cowl, which is our project for August. So let me show you a few more stitches, and then you can go ahead and cast on. So that's how you cast on for your Ladybug Cowl. Hope this helps.